feno ena Ghana for wo mo hwekeke the Ghana for when say we campaign on corruption kata asese ene proye sa corruption na ye de campaign ye no sa corruption no and wo say nipa bi emra no ene wo mudi wo ma wi o man we sika wo kwanbone so PDS o man panyin da Akufo na nsia oni delay twetwe nkomo ka PDS asem ayedi yetehwe Kwalugu dam akwako sisai enye da bia na be chama wontumi ye pese hu other areas no de ekọ attorney general enemy office wo why wo aye accountability series update no enye se ye chama wontumi ene Ken Ofori Atta nko ha corruption cases na edoso nkofo we wo ma lutu o man we ntimu kye ne memuna Ghana for entiase last week ye take Ken Ofori Atta din ene asaba beti chama wontumi ene Kofi Akpolo ya te abre action ne pese ye adwuma attorney general enye dimbo ene dabia accountability series enye no ne ewe nkofo di o man we yawu nkofo di o man we sika attorney general me say accountability series no kasa na ya too much mumma nkofo ma di sika no yehu nipa sa Kofi Akpolo ni we dey say Ken Ofori Atta anyway mu no ya to omudi na bre PDS pese ehu de ekoso omu matoto aban sase ye pese ehu de ekoso yes babia direction o man no ye pese akoro accountability series ni start here attorney general nkwa why 3 times why more than obia ye pese da bia kasa se sa ne agro na si na 4 years na so ne ehu hwe ye pese hu action ye pese attorney general court dem won enye kasa ene ye adwuma sa we ni nyina motimi amade court no se hu no wutumi de yate abre Kofi Akpolo de yate agbe Ken Ofori Atta yate abre be sin ne last week be ka kire se Ken Ofori Atta be e kono aye ni yakọ high experience lawyers ba date na za be ka kire Ghana for say yakọ fa experience Ken Ofori Atta akọ experience lawyers wo be ka kire se wa akọ fa experience lawyers nti anya ne den eno na Ghana for ye party die ne yeso ye so no akọ fa experience lawyers ni sika na wa wi ano enu bi ni wanya de akọ fa lawyers no abafo wi cash okrom hawo campaign ya de ba power no corruption no eye number 1 my ya da bia say ya ne abekenkai da bia say ya ne abekenkai da bia say ya Dominic ya ne ya no na Ghana for ya hwie ye be say wo sa ma for ye busy ya say de na ya de Dominic ya what say Dr. Opuni eni say do agongo mu gina court on abo call nza da mo Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, no more court, no more court, no more ban, no more court, no more court, no more court, no more court, peace court, no more court, high court, no more court, Supreme Court, no more court, no more ban. Sabi ni pesi yehu. Yehu dia to finance minister. Yehu dia to finance minister. Yenya Ato Forson in opposition. Senye nyame na ya adoma ka NPP for komu Jáil Ato Forson. Yenim NPP for wonu omu di agura se sika no ayete se wowo ukuna make sure say ni tin wate afre so se de nkofo we di agura ya ne namu sa na de ache attorney general me se de nkofo we di agura 1 year ko one year kwa kasatete and top on go kasatete and top on go the Ghana for everyone say Ken Ofori Atta ya ne beba Ghana na mrane na ba bedie enye the Ghana for everyone say beba be ka tie say Ken Ofori Atta ko for experience lawyers ewa America eno we are not ready to listen to sir a statement no from you the attorney general. If it must be done well. Yes. Media said the money say me see my adwuma no kwani da wa play mebo match now na direction ya na free angels no na eba slow go slow ni ayo too much me say kwafo we cash Kwalugu dam over $12 million Waste ya to a year foundation kura ewo ho PDS Akufo Addo time President Akufo Addo say waka omujiji amanfo sika over 8 months sika na for America however ye bi ne nya NY every mo ye niam wode kania ye tumi di bua Akufo Addo that useless president ne ba ye ne pen so PDS in Ghana ye huri say sika no has must rule Hence must rule. Let's shake the foundation, Attorney General. There be a press, meet the press. There be accountability series. Work for 3 times the whole way. We want to see action, Attorney General. My very good brother, my good friend, Attorney General. We want to see action, not talk. Talk no ya too much. Kasa take top on Attorney General. We want to see action. Kwafona Americas, no Kwafona we abaya say atoto abaya say cheap no. Umatoto abaya say cantonment na boni any other prime areas no. We want to see action. Said and say okujo toka ya no. Ora no. Sa ora anu jumedie no. Sa anye jume ya forget it. Yes. Ora no. Say ani ya comedy ya. Any to say ya no 4 years na so. President John Mahama otimi kojira court. Dr. Kalisu so otimi kojira court. And a chief of that otimi kojira court so kwaso kwako dani Attorney General kwako ye juma. Please. We are serious. Ghana for ehwe. Ghana for ehwe NDC. Ghana for ebio money free ehwe NDC. Sekata sesane proyano ye kuana. And I die huaba asa chaskere bini yabo. National Services Sam, yes, we mobile refund this case, we mobile refund this case, and you know the campaign. Mutiana yo. Atakuri gabiga mugabi masamina mekasa no. Mutiani yo. And you know the campaign. And Kwafona Arikas no modaso nama bontana. Womunam ya afanyo markets mo. Womunam no more ampia Asante Bediatuo. Go to Ghana Water. Go to ECG. Containers no Sam Nakosi saying. Attorney General, Ghanaians want to know container. Yes, the containers. I'm not saying. Power to the people. Me, I will continue to shake the foundation. John Mahama, I was here. Buana John Mahama succeeding. I'm on fire. Jumao. Tama oil fund will be the 8 years ago. Will be a babuna or what in the 30s or now 40 years a crown more whole and the combat and yadi will be more than 48 years. Babunu way etimi akwa tama oil refund say make say tama oil refund asate ye juma ni atewo sa Akufo Addo beton to for $22 million. Ateki babuni 7 months am what to menya for $21 million. Yakoya anasi ya buy asamo ho nti ese akoni say ya na da bia accountability series ni abetna say na de ani abaka nwa samachira Ghana for me de nya no na me party ebiem accountability series no Attorney General anya nkwa ne creative ma ho enya we mu na da bia party na chama wontumi Kofi Akpalo anya no le pebe hu de ekwaso court. Power to the people. Ya be se hu de ekwaso court. Kasa ne ya too much. Ya tutu ya de maye. Nyamwa John Mahama no succeed. Dabia se accountability series ne ade aba nkofo disika wasa sa nkofo no PDS now no wasa kasa nkofo nyina no yede omudi aba beto abotere na PDS ye hu ma mra ne wo ba bedie kwalugu dam ye hu ma mra ne wo ba bedie dabia ne beka Ken Ofori Atta asem ka wo rata obaba asako aba ye betimi de number ka de number wo speak Kennedy na Attorney General ka ze ho de ne yedie ye mwajo Mahama no succeed. Kasa no mese kasa 10 top onko yenya jumaden na yemwa papa no succeed. Kasa ne ya too much. Attorney General ya kasa ne ya kasa ya ma action nya adwuma da bia ya se ya court 1 year twem kofo Americas kofo wo ya discard say o my way agugu amafo businesses and amafo bebre mo gugu mo businesses amo mawu ene kama wawan the PDS mo disika no palugu dam no mo si ya complete a meaningful dam ni bibia no mo dey ho na court no mo de mo ko sa betua na mabom me sama mo Attorney General na mabom me sa ma wo so wo bo adwuma no so far so good wo hwe sectors ni nyina bibia ekoso ba me say people for engineer wo mo disika no mra na o mo ni eno kwa de na makoma atomiyem se John Mahama ba bia waye se de odi sidi ya ba betuoi na mo boayefo ayo roso boayefo chance boayefo owure dwema wo bie di dwa kama obi aka John Mahama waya ade John Mahama toto ne emaye wonsa na membo no fine wo bia no scandal so far so good no scandal ponti bien hwa efi bi e de free bia de atare no ho membo na efe ba e frɛ no na omo disika no ene utumi o se hu no awon se wa phone force e bia na ha kofu go mo sa na omo kɔ na omo ba left right yes see omo passport omo tu kwan ye nyeye munje sa adwuma no na Ghana fo enenye mu de monde ba kom yensa bi e de fremu early 2026 na ma won se system no ya emu ayedin na obi aye steady your mama and the so president ye benya bi say na mu fi say ye easy san ko fa papa say capacity papa say man ene me koyiye betena ye be kan pepe de wona ma de Ghana fo eka de omo titotro mo eka ye betena say na to da ya kabi na amanfo no so etie mpanifo no ma fa no mo de ya adwuma no say de asemese kan ye entie ne fa nya adwuma o be boa ye nyina
Ghana for we na ye ka ho asem de bia say look NPP for some betena konyasu 8 good years they are just talking adiwe krata we da puno so at times time ye asenka ye be pass na ye bibia no ama no tumi no eno bi di kokot NPP for ba kasa o mentumi anya ho hwe within 1 year His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Bawumia so what committee no the report edibaye. Now that aside, yes, many of us call for the constitutional review in this country. Ehu hia pa say ye. Inti esai mi de se mi say omanpenye eka say obesa the committee for constitutional review implementation to implement it in sema omudi ahishe yiye no ye besa implement it because ubehu 1992 constitution ye binuma to me steady ehwese na ade no sekono it has gone to protect our late president, and that is true. We must be frank about that. But now as time goes on, and also say no the bobrano, there are some loopholes in ka SSA obiti say on take negative advantage but wanyesa. Nanadu naba nabe take very negative advantage of our constitution. Otumio Pointineo Fasi as a minister for finance. Okwa the same family as a minister for road. Misre Constitutional Review Committee for we must block this type of loopholes. We shouldn't allow the president, and let us take this constitution must take many powers off the hands of a president, because you are not there to lord power over us, but to do what? To serve the people. To serve the people. In this a constitution no etumia ma otumi say ubetumia ye biara na obedani Nebukadnezar ewo yesuti se nanado ye, and that is very bad. We must watch critical things, issues that will give service to the people. No? Let us strengthen those laws, strengthen the such issues as service provision, health, road, water, electricity. Because cheap energy is the base for what? Industrialization. And we need clean water, environment. Na enkobase time bia na president wo power so be appointi or appointi sa ko appointi ni mother-in-law na de ni nyina say they should take, the constitution must block that. The constitution must block that. Baby mama for na umo bia position. Na ko ti say uba power there na nipa no kwa na wodi omoto ho fine. That aside, yes, that aside no obra ben na mabo wakonja no so. Those are the questions we should be asking, because who be someone asked at that time, they will tell you it is in the constitution. Yes, it is in the constitution, but must you abuse it? Must you abuse the constitution in the country that the unemployed youth numbers no increase, and na unkwa wo appointi ebusuafo no? What does that tells you as an educated person? The constitution must see to review all these things, and also the say ubeba na uye nia upe with the constitution. We should have entrenched clauses for some special things. Sir, the president should not have the power to appoint a minister. Let's give that to technocrats to do that for us. Makan de bia say India ube minister of finance I say ko throw exams. But throw exams who pass here. Enti no enye family affair bia. Who pass here na edi maw. Yinim questions are also edi maw se kona control. So we must look at that to enhance our governance. That is the most important thing. Enhance our governance. Ti say yemra say mo bia nkonko ese kwaya na koko wo constitution ma ti say na do de omudi ba na anu ye yifru ho no. If there will be any government or president who will allow that to happen again, that person should go in for a referendum. So such clauses should be entrenched clauses. You cannot just stand up with the use of what? Executive powers. We tear executive powers. Namakai, former information minister, Kojo Kyeremanteng, no parliament. Tambia nanado ya di bonia yeka executive instrument. No mudi say bibia. So the constitution must take a critical look at this, because we want to enhance proper democracy in Ghana, and things that must enhance that is what we should focus on, not to be thinking about who or the number or the quantum of power that to be given to what to be given to the president. And if you have president like the current president, say or no kuminya, you will not actually see the problem with the current constitution. But say no bit is then you know that there are a lot of loopholes there.
Marty, you said former president John Agyapong, I mean, or suggested say we share term of a year office, like one term near amount of 4 years now, and can 5 or 6 years. A bit to me, obey to me the face and I appointment. Na second year, what to me I take it off. Said they be at least a memo 4 years, Yana mobile 1 year near campaign. No one say what to me to and 5 years or 6 years, and I say Kobase recommendation is about my Ghana moving forward.
But there should be checks and balances on it. Yeah. Because Fanu say even your man will be 7 years, say one term. Two, your man will 7 years, say one term. And now Osha said to send another day, the checks and balances are making say there should be at a point in time. Now you stop the constitution should stop that person not to be abusing the citizens of this country. That is the check and balances. Citizens can bet to me pick signatures. If we got it fairly done, then that president must move out of. Yes, we should just use and now yanko yes or no. It is not campaign for election. Papa will bra or bonu ebia ni charges ni and ni say why yes what time yesika say or she nyankopon bo so ko say sorry dan wan sidan no what time yesika koto bo wo Israel omu dia she container ma ya twa ho ka edi aba ebo no ya nya ho fa so enu ntinu ye tunu yentunu we akete okola nchikro beba na ya tunu enye tuo. Those are the things that will make us.
But that's not constitution.
Missy, omo shame. Say yeah constitutional review. Yeah constitution. Manu shame so that it model the presidency or the president of this country.
Because powers in too much for the president.
No. Me can say ne. With all due respect to His Excellency, the presidents of Ghana have too much powers given to them by the Constitution. Do you get me right? Given to them by the Constitution. And I'm catch you say, Nanado using those too much powers to abuse us. Nipa for kromha, nipa wanti. And the Constitution was just sitting down, giving this power to the president to be abusing us. So this constitutional review, we must make sure that the law does not, or the Constitution does not abuse Ghanaians. Senior, the current one, SCTA. So to me, sorry, President, I appoint Tróuble. Yes, ye penny panu, 80 MPs, I can say ye penny panu, Usumpini. Who gives you that order? Those are the things that we want to see changed in the Constitution. And the number of years krano senka obi ba kranka ye no se ba ebia 9 years but enu susunu se nipa no abuse it will be difficult even though I'm talking about checks and balances inka 1 term 7 years 1 term 8 kofie so that there will be no campaign again unim say campaign SSK now we campaign now billboards now we say me will campaign team we say minimum we say member
ya ma 5 na ba no wan ya hwia se na yapam na oko
enu na make say so that election will be one no 2 terms are there say 2 terms 8 years yes sir fanu say we term no e dey mfa 1 or 2 it will term 8 brabeye but we put checks and balances on you say we are
mama dey say bia yakoye constitutional review no recommendation bia ba say term no yenya no bia 10 years na say ko say twa na ya san ya den asa aka ho nya san aba
thank you very much papa na unya ba we
head and koto ababi
head and koto ababi yen head and tako ya t-shirt from biabio billboards ni nyina nko ene ebe hwe say we should resource the basis and also what I would like us to do again and he said we should have the law that finance political parties.
Exactly.
Political party financing one who appeal say my eba say yeah no so political party and you get me but onisika inti onam anuma kokune na onam na ado chi no di contract a contract no susu na wentumi antua mate palunka chew owo krom ha
yes low
owo krom ha you see so when the government or the constitution made it possible for the political parties to be financed then we will have that edge or authority or power to investigate your sources of what income or revenue for the campaigning. Yeah. Because then we stop this abuse of government agencies. Contract. Say ECG.
Yababa Apollo won't to me.
Tam no any hontra.
Oh, Yababa. And after me, Benya Tama, just say, issues, no.
Mrs. Tabakung, Caroline Agbunto, or Michelle Campos, your chaupa. Merry Christmas.
Merry
Christmas.
Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas.
Jerry, I think I tell you that governance is what we are looking for as Ghanaians. And it is this governance that will give respite to the citizens of this country, for them to feel that, yes, they are part and citizens of this country. And I think what is going on right now is good. One will say, yen appointeesa omampeni ama ejumase yenye. We should learn from what is happening. Kofi Palu and Awuntumi. We should learn from it. One say yes, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and the Prof Nana Jenopoko Ajima Asha say about to me as a chairman of economic management team. Or to me inflation ediba. They say inflation cry say 6% ana 6.3%. And now Bema wako economic school obanu wanko ye maami de onu de wanko o de abrofuni mathematics eno de ye dwuma eno bi be dada also ye economist obe so inflation sa de 54%. When people for the ye twemu mu de mu nko tasimu na mu nko fa Bawumia mfambra ye twemu pa ye twemu na ebema mu mwaye. It is a sana NPP for ye di nanado be dada ye sa ama nanado abe guo bi adwuma musa ko dada ye se mu di Bawumia di bre even though I don't know but onu na ye mu se na mu kan ye mu niama no na mu ko fa no bra etiefo ade ba ko amehwe Bawumia ha me ni se Bawumia as a teacher to me ka kire ye ma se uko ti se ye ko competition bi ewo ana quiz ewo Japan. And the Japanese government aye the grant atuho grant no or the 1,000 interchanges the atuho sikapudo be say $1 billion neji na ho na Ghana card so ewo ho no Bawumia say ye ba no ko oko Japan on this quiz competition no ohu 1,000 interchanges no money here no onko yi Ghana card that is the teacher we have in Bawumia. Wachere enkoda say ye di 1,000 interchanges to wa ena Ghana card aye catch us say near hin na opa or si kofa Ghana card. That is the person NPP4 say nye tremodin pa no ubetumi afa nipa so onye candidate no ombrambe gina mwenim na muda da Ghana for na ye ntu abama no. That aside, you see the time we're talking now, ye ka say oh wuntumi ena amuzio e wuntumi anya boni bia amanfo di nechi na ese say how many million crown no musi wakoji ni millions ebuabu no e ko 24 million eyesika wajia ye di bonu kwedu ena akpalu susu nu waji be say 3 million Ghana cedis nu ye di bonu kwedu inti ye wechire asa that time ye kanu ya ye boni ana ye kanu kra chire Ghana for that the way things are going Ezin Banka His Excellency John Dramani Mahama etiye in the first term no ya sika wo mu no wuntumi koji sika wo se okodo abru no amba but you enye se abru no amba keke omutumi twa video e social media di kire abrafum. So this is the type of government we've had, a very abusive government. So bia be jisika na wakotwa obi abrafum foni e dia be kire Ghana for say we ni afoma wuntumi ado. Today the charges are coming. Even if it will take 1,000 years, the charges or the court going will continue. And these are some of the things ye can't watch them. Nana do aba ndi amboye. Because minya Mr. Bisa say 63 billion Ghana cedis. No, 630 billion, please, and 63. 630 billion Ghana cedis. Nana do eye busia wa bono. And when Juma na mpuntu na ewo hen. Enu mpuntu na na no se wo tiemia, with all due respect to you, you are our former president. Na sasika mu giye no ni mpuntu no ewo hen. Se ye kai kwan no wo hen. Se usu my 10,000 kilometers of road. Kai say even from Accra Osu area baby amiti and a castle Edi Kobo Kukrano 100,000 kilometers. Into a kwan wo hen. These are the questions we are asking. Now we are not doing politics. Because if the hospitals are cry musi senkamu we ya enkodanu benye juma suku dan mwansi mu kono na mu teacher for bebre e dia 2 haruna any His Excellency Consul mu teacher for bebre suku dan no mwansi the time ananado wa konjasu no me ka kire Ghana for say omudi na NAPO for no from NAPO for edico classroom and the training teachers were in the house. I said this because I was a trained teacher. I'm a trained teacher. What mean control? Sa boni na nanado di ye. Se nanado mresu na teacher ni our we school omuchon science national service. Ye we training college ye national service. Ye national service. And so nobody can ask me what is your national service certificate. No. Yanye se teacher ni ye national service. What it means is that who is for 1 full year, because immediately you complete school senka unya wa appointment then you start to calculate your salaries, your number of years you are going to work before you go on pension, because don't forget they pick your date of birth and the years are counting and it is becoming so worrying. But when you tell them, they will say no, just look at the E-levy or mupasi here. Almost say upe kwanya enya my embassy E-levy upensha my embassy E-levy umpese yanko IMF my embassy E-levy. A very abusive government. Ye embassy E-levy nu yanko IMF biom ye insure no aba light no aba. These are the things that we are talking about. Listen, now she say abang an agency like energy ministry. To me a budget for traveling for 3 million Ghana cedis. At the end of the day, almost spending 9 million. You would think as if ghosts are money our agencies and ministries. As if ghosts, not human beings. And that is why we became so vociferous. We must address these issues. And we spoke a lot. But thank God, Ghanaians have listened to us. And yes, those are the things. Can you imagine, say, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, AC University for Fisheries, AC the Anomabu and Kwayemu, and they left it to get rotten. They left it to get rotten. And they were playing fanfares and they were painting interchanges in Accra. Yeah. Abaiti akonyasunu omakoto paint edi amanko da se munko na munko painti interchanges. Now tie sika eko hosusunu. Then you ask yourself whether we have ghost money in the economy. I am not insulting anybody, but it borders your mind. It blows my mind. And I so say, oh, enyese mu painti moga enyese mu painti interchange you know asi keke o masa akoto ntuma ye omuto ntuma as a leather na ntuma e di afra concrete aban university asi wanye ho hwe o makoto ntuma e di afra concrete cement eni anwea ye di ntuma afra no e na ya painti e na ya twasika eguso. Once we don't have road, once our gutters are choked, once you are talking about agenda, your friend, yes, agenda 111, the hospitals, Mangasa NPP phone to me way back. Tell me, mention the community. Oma we agenda 111. Hospital doctors for ye Juma Sano Marco. But ask yourself, how many months does it take His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to build a rich hospital? Phase 1. How many years? These are the things that we're talking about. And as I say, look, me kaipa say contractor for penny eka say nana don't mo kantinu the contractors as at that time we are talking about 2018-2019 contractors by 23 and the government they died because the bank job properties omwankasa yari omuniska omuni beto ndruanu omawu. That is the government, and that is the same political party nurturing Bawumia to come again, to come and destroy the businesses, to come and destroy the economy. These are the things we are talking about today. Our brother Agboja is saying what through His Excellency Ekachere say one of my year Juma mu certificates I read no ye ba betiomuka say about 5 billion Ghana cedis. Now can you imagine under the same government Nana Lodanu Ken Ofori Atta etumi be kachere say 52.5 billion has been transferred into announcers. When people near would tie me not tie me. Inca contractors do send a betia with 52.5 billion Ghana cedis. Sikano hira up to today. Ken Ofori Atta Adwane. Ekamin kwa send onyankopon to me ton so gu ye kente na no nya kente ye kroma amana ye masese no yenja no na enyesu asudie boni ewo NPP so. Say mu minister for finance you Johnny Afro-Mako. So when you see an MPP person dress uninu koko debate, the only thing you should tell him that senka unim send dressing pass inka Owusu so di Ken Ofori Atta beba Ghana unim dressing pass wa botai ashe coat no nyanka unim sa pa dia nanka nie here pa ni se Ken Ofori Atta no be chere be 52.5 billion Ghana cedis no be dia sika no afa. Then we move forward from that, but Ghana for me shemobo that the current government under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama near oyenu mumai nyina yenka ho na ye boase omanu enkonenim. Could you believe say na do tonto Tema oil refinery for $22 million Nanko tonu and 22 million Ghana cedis. Nanko tonto. Do you get to that? Now, within 1 year, Yapa Openi, any ni board members, I am saying board members ni be krano. Ye to miss sa to anima, why ye profit 21 million Ghana cedis. Can you imagine this in 7 months? Into them say na dunia pointe sa shada boya bros amobiafon. At least the city is stable. At least city no anya hundi. Ena nekra usha se no to nankasa no okitabe se 1,200 staff. Aye sure omuka tio enya se ye ko jilon tio omuka o ye tio omuka ejuma no tio omuka. Can you imagine this? Can you imagine this? This is the difference. The difference is clear. And this is what we are talking about as a nation. I just send this for ye kasakeke. Now who say machines ye juma won potem ye twa kwan ni we ni na. Now say the government is working. Ghana is back on track. One among person omu kenu krenu Jáil because they will continue to live in that limbo for a long time. Papa, usenye papa. Come on, me catch them say, time and another the 1 district 1 factory policy by no. Now me papa, because I know it will create job in my constituency. But how does it did it end? That is the question we are asking. If you send me 1 district 1 factory, when to me anya unfi, movie say no na ye ba be with a 24-hour economy. And you are going to take time because technocrats, papa, with good planners, you get them in the NDC to make sure that the job takes off and it will last. Minya, enya Tróuble gas, enya Ghana for enya na here. Yes, it is still working. Another one is coming, and that is what we want. Because when you look at the figures of unemployment youth or unemployed youth in this country, it borders and it blows your mind. And we need to do everything possible at this particular time to save them. Very who say we are school for about 4-5 years, onye juma, and a age. I don't know, Moga, because of this unemployed, we are school 1 year juma. I think the nation and the constitutional review should look at it. So we are school. So yes, onye juma. Yeah, yentin free. Yes, yentin free. And now you be man na ye juma say 5 years na government and to me anye juma man na as a son cost 65 years. Good. And some no pension because he has see.
Better say.
Noga. So we've started the year on a very good note as NDC new government. Nye ye di sha se kra any ye sikasem because we share about 732 billion na nanado Jáil. Now ye been kra dream say, what are we going to do to survive? When people phone we are going to see movie say ya grow, we are going to see. So some of us, myself in particular, so I begin to feel say, hey, ye be dia tia we. Ama ya ye den, ama ya sa hwe Ghana for, ama obrano ye de. But Ghana for, just look at what God has done. His Excellency no Osha said Chichiri Ghana no before he was even sworn in. And we say, Wama Ghana for any appointees in na tiasese. Or no Oba be appointee only 60 ministers. What does that tell you as a mathematician? Say the cost of 10 ministers or 1 minister. And another 125 ministers. His Excellency Mahama say or no for 60. So you calculate 65 ukra 1 fano ubiani ni V8 ni saloon car ni eda obede mu ni atade obehye ni eduane obedi ni garden boy ni chef ni weni nyina aka no enu that is financial discipline or the shase inti watwa oka sister no anya ye de but he was not doing it for himself or his political he was doing it or he did it for Ghana, and that is what you should take note of. There are some small things sir etimi dis akra kesieba by entahu. So the minister 60 ena oyeye osafri hosusu no or the discipline any niama obetumi ayuse na ne wuntumi yuso umbeka ya na okase obi antu kwan se obetu kwan a gise wasre permission ansa na wa ma kwan ampanya ba me fi say agro na drum isu se mi tu kwan o se gise wa tro letter ko abanke sebu da onya approval se urade Yakufo me fi say agro. So I have to write, and I got approval from the what? The Jubilee House before I was able to travel. Financial discipline. Discipline was into your 30 belt. Tianyami babe kachrewe. Your 30 belt to the extent say at the end of what? And this year kwenu. And no, the first 2 quarters no. Abanu to me reduce yeka to about 113. Wa reduce ye kana na do no abuago. When nyina ya achievement kaina tie because na do no ho no omutumi organize party no mu dikenke kire ye e wo Jubilee House. Emra nipa come din no that was what they were doing. Nana do mu were very busy. Omu sie dia omu nya sika free hin nipa no say person checking the recorder onya sika no free hin and omu si restaurant na dia so munam ni weni nyina. That was what they were busy doing, and those are the problems. We thought COVID can never be cancelled in this country. NPP for Agajre omu si say he COVID free wa na bi dia be say but COVID so ye free ho he levy ye free ho
machine levy ko
when you now call Eurobond, ya tia immediately His Excellency yes one in 7 January no was $700 million as a tia Eurobond ye all these things has happened. And na ofri anusu so obeka say NIB enuntina papa kwesindum nu bank nu guye ye dinuka tia nipa nuka wan tia nika NAB ye dibe 2 billion edi awrem weni nyina na abaye ya won say inde baby ayeti no
very well
ayeye de enti His Excellency ye maumo waye juma ni bipa na anu ndanu a ne ba organize boxing a man penyi koye mi bra frɛ mi fra abrochire na no timpo tibri bi the third o si kwesi mi si yes Ghana e free power o man penyi na tell say ya ko agiga na to ho NPP ya ko agiga na to ho nti omo abrochire susu no omo mbra na Ghana no ayede obi an how adwin
medase.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.